Hello, everybody. I hope I find you well. Welcome to our lesson where we're going to do an introduction in Canva. So, as you'll notice, I've already opened my Google Chrome browser and I've already logged in to my Google Chrome browser. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to open a new tab so that we can jump into Canva. So, just going to click, type canva.com so that we land on the Canva homepage. So you'll notice that our Canva homepage has opened, and yeah, we are now ready to start working and designing. So what you need to do is you'll be prompted to log in using one of your emails. It's always easier to log in because once you log in, you also have access to certain features. Though, yes, we are currently looking at the free features, but then when you're not logged in, you are even more limited than when you actually logged in. So it's more advantageous for you to actually log in. So we're just going to continue logging in with whatever login you're logged in on your machine. I'm just going to click on continue so that we are logged in, and then once we're logged in, we will be good to go, and we're going to start our designing. Okay, so we're logging into Canva, and then the next thing that Canva is asking us is what do we want to use this for. So we'll just select on personal projects and then allow it to just process that. And then it will obviously ask us to subscribe for Canva Pro or Canva Business, but we can just skip that because you can still use Canva without necessarily subscribing. You can actually use quite a number of features on the free features. And then it will then ask us finally, let's set your messaging preferences. And then we'll just say not now, and then we'll then move on to got it next. So this is just basically setting us up, but we already signed up and we're already in Canva. So this is our homepage, our landing page. As we're looking at it, we're using the free version. Even though we're using the free version, trust me, you can do a lot in the free version. You can create a lot. The advantage with Canva is unlike most of your traditional AI chatbots that create images, with Canva, you can get a template, and Canva has a lot of templates for almost anything, for presentations, for posters, for resumes, for emails, invitations, for Instagram stories, for even Facebook posts, for even logos, for even flyers. There are so many templates, so you have a starting point. So that's the advantage of using Canva. So we're going to take a quick tour around Canva to see how we can use it. Canva AI is so user friendly. If you've only started wanting to experiment in designing, be it posters or logos or even Instagram posts, this is the place where you can start. Why? Because it gives you templates to start off with. And even in terms of accessing the templates, and even in terms of customizing them and sprucing them up, you find that it's actually very, very easy to do. So this is a very beginner friendly AI to use in terms of graphic designing. So now we're going to start exploring our homepage. You'll notice that you'll have your search box here. that allows you to type in and search for any type of type template that you want. But even right at the bottom here, you already have some templates that are being shown, like presentation, posters, logos, and even Instagram posts. So you can actually start off from there. You have a starting point in which you can actually start designing. Like, for example, if we just select logo, you'll notice that what will happen is you'll have quite a lot of templates of logos being populated, and from there you can actually choose which logo template you'd actually want to use. So this is how friendly it is, because it's just one click away, it's just one step away from what you'd want to do. Then let's go to the left side of the application. You can also access the templates by clicking on the create the button. The create button does the same thing. It will just bring up. If I just click on that, you'll notice that once I click on the create button, it will then bring up a pop-up window which will show that you can create from which template type, presentation, um, Instagram post, or even flyer. So you can actually choose from that. So it's that easy. Then I'll just close that. The home page obviously will take you back to the home page. Like, let's say you've never navigated somewhere in one of the various pages within Canva, it will take you back to the home page. Then the projects page will show you basically all the projects that you've worked on. So you'll be able to see a history of the things that you have been working on. And then the templates uh, option here will lead you to explore all the different types of templates that Canva can give you. Then the brand option, you'll notice that in Canva, if there is this golden crown, what it essentially means is that this is for the subscribed version. It's only reachable for the subscribed version. While at least you can do a lot of things within the free version, the advantage of having the subscribed version, which is the pro version, is that when you have this brand option, it helps to maintain consistency within all your designs. So it can help you if, let's say, you're a small business and you're using Canva to create flyers, to create posters, because you have that brand option and you're subscribed. Canva would always recommend consistency in terms of your visuals. So that's the advantage. You don't always have to sort of like think it out all the time. And then this last option here is your Canva AI. This is the AI part of Canva where you can let me just click on that, on the AI part of Canva, where you can literally type in your prompt. We learned about prompt engineering. So within here, this is the AI part where you can actually type in a prompt, and then AI, the Canva AI can actually design something for you from scratch. So in terms of taking a tour of concerning Canva, that's about it.